What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Cruising the South, and if you're new to the channel, a big welcome. Here at Cruising the South, we share with you guys all the awesome places we go with the boat, but also all the problems and services and solutions we go through, right? And so today is actually the big day. So as you can see right there, this engine's already ready to be pulled. I got the, the engine hoist on it already. So it was a little bit of change of plans. Before I was gonna have a barge come over here, but his timing is not working with me. So what I'm actually gonna do, I'm gonna back up the boat all the way to that lot over there, and then a crane truck is gonna come and do the switching for me. So my engine right now, it's actually on the back of my truck. Let me run over here to show you guys. My brother's in the house to give a hand. So there she is. Have everything taped up. Now, just waiting on the 9 o'clock a.m. so we can go do this. Let's do it. The first step was to get the boat behind my neighbor's yacht on the end of the channel. And with only one engine, it could have been quite tricky. But after my first attempt to go in reverse, I decided to go forward and come straight ahead, and that actually worked out. I was personally worried about having to bring this boat on this corner with only one engine, but it's great when the plan comes together. Everything worked out perfect. A funny side story, the crane truck is on the other side of that hedge, therefore he only saw the big boats at first. Then he said, "Oh man, I'm gonna need a bigger truck."
nerve-wracking, but by any standards, everything went seamlessly.
Alright guys, so there she is. Everything went super smooth. Now I'm gonna show you guys everything that I go through installing this engine, right? Especially because I have a few subscribers that are really interested of everything that's gonna happen. So you see, so I had to prop the engine up on stilts like this because the back engine mounts are actually on the transmission, right? So right now what I have to do is put back my flywheel and my my damper, and then the flywheel cover, and then the transmission can go back in. But I order a new damper plate, which I should have in the next couple of days, so I'll be able to do that. But right now one of the things I have to do is install this motor mount right here, because when I went to try to disassemble the old one, I end up busting the rubber on the bottom. So you know, it was like the nut was corroded, so I end up breaking my old one. But I just received a new one. Let me show you guys down there. 1 second. Okay, this is a good angle. As you can see, I have the engine on stilts on the front here too, because on this side the motor mounts was perfect, so I was just able to use that, no problems there. But now on this side I bought a new one of these, and this shaft I was actually able to use from the old one, so you know, perfect steel shaft, no problems there. So now this new mount goes right here, and then with these bolts I can align the engine perfectly, so it mounts with the shaft perfectly. And from that point on, I gotta put my water pump, my harmonic balancer, my exhaust manifolds, and as I mentioned, the transmission. But we are getting there quick. So either way, I'll finish this video here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the very next episode. I'll be covering the flywheel and the transmission installation on the next episode. Thank you guys.